Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the analysis of books that have won Booker Prizes. And in this video, we are going to discuss Girl, Woman, Other by Bernardine Evaristo that won Booker Prize in 2019. Introduction. Girl, Woman, Other by Bernardine Evaristo became the center of literary discussions when it won the 2019 Booker Prize, a win that was shared controversially with Margaret Atwood's The Testaments. The joint award broke the Booker's own rules, sparking widespread debate. However, despite the contentious nature of the win, Girl, Woman, Other has earned its place in literary history as a powerful exploration of the lives of Black British women. Narrative style. Breaking conventions. One of the most distinctive features of Girl, Woman, Other is its unconventional narrative style. Evaristo's prose defies traditional punctuation rules, opting instead for a rhythmical, almost poetic form of writing that foregoes full stops and embraces long sentences. This fusion fiction style might initially seem jarring to some readers, but it quickly becomes an integral part of the novel's unique voice. The fluidity of the prose reflects the interconnectedness of the 12 characters' lives, allowing their stories to flow seamlessly into one another. Themes: identity, race, and feminism. At its core, Girl, Woman, Other is an exploration of identity, race, and feminism. The novel presents a tapestry of experiences that examine what it means to be black and female in contemporary Britain. Evaristo skillfully weaves together the lives of 12 characters, each from different backgrounds, generations, and social classes, to create a multifaceted portrait of black womanhood. The novel delves into the struggles faced by minorities in a society dominated by white power structures. It addresses issues such as systematic racism, the intersectionality of race and gender, and the challenges of navigating identity in a world that often seeks to marginalize and categorize. Through her characters, Evaristo presents a powerful feminist narrative that questions traditional gender roles and highlights the complexity of female experience. Characterization: broad and flawed. The characters in Girl, Woman, Other are richly drawn, each with their own distinct voice and story. They are broad in their representation, covering a wide spectrum of experiences, from Amma, the black lesbian playwright, to Yaz, her university-aged daughter who struggles to find her place in the world. The characters are beautifully flawed, making them relatable and human. Their stories are not just about their individual lives, but also about the collective experience of black women in Britain. Evaristo's portrayal of her characters is deeply empathetic, allowing readers to connect with them on a personal level. The novel's structure, which dedicates a chapter to each character, provides a comprehensive view of their lives, highlighting the interconnectedness of their experiences and the shared struggles they face. Intersectionality. Exploring multiple identities. The novel's strength lies in its exploration of intersectionality. Evaristo does not present her characters as monolithic. Instead, she acknowledges the multiplicity of their identities. The characters navigate their lives as black, female, queer, and working class individuals, each identity influencing their experiences in different ways. The novel challenges the reader to consider how these interesting identities shape the characters' interactions with the world and with each other. Social commentary. A mirror to contemporary Britain. Girl, Woman, Other is not just a story about its characters. It is also a commentary on contemporary Britain. The novel presents a vibrant depiction of a society that is constantly evolving, yet still grappling with issues of race, identity and class. Evaristo highlights the often overlooked narratives of Black British women, giving voice to their experiences in a way that is both accessible and profound. The novel also critiques the ways in which society deals with diversity, particularly in its treatment of Black women. Through the lives of our characters, Evaristo exposes the ingrained prejudices and systematic barriers that continue to exist. Even in a supposedly progressive society, the novel's portrayal of these issues is both realistic and poignant, making it a powerful tool for understanding the complexities of modern Britain. Conclusion: Girl, Woman, Other is a novel that demands to be read, not just for its literary merit, but for its ability to shed light on the experiences of Black British women. Evaristo's innovative narrative style, combined with her insightful exploration of identity, race, and feminism, makes his novel a standout work of contemporary literature. It is a book that resonates long after the final page is turned, leaving readers with a deeper understanding of the world and the people who inhabit it.